Becoming a data analyst involves building a combination of technical skills, analytical thinking, and real-world experience. While there isn't a single required path, most successful analysts follow a similar progression. Start by building a strong foundation in statistics, mathematics, and basic business concepts. Data analysts use these fundamentals to interpret data accurately and explain insights in a meaningful way. Taking introductory courses in probability, statistics, and data literacy, either in school or through online platforms, gives you the groundwork to understand how data behaves. Next, develop proficiency in the core tools of data analysis. Learn spreadsheet tools like Excel or Google Sheets, which remain essential for quick analysis and basic visualization. Then move on to more powerful tools: SQL for querying databases, Python or R for deeper analysis and automation, and visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Looker for creating dashboards and reports. Focus on mastering SQL and one programming language, as these are often must-have skills in job postings. As you build technical ability, apply what you learn through projects. Real data sets, public data from Kaggle, government portals, or company case studies help you practice cleaning data, analyzing trends, and presenting insights. Create a portfolio that showcases these projects. This becomes a powerful tool when applying for jobs, showing employers what you can do, not just what you know. Gaining experience is key. Internships, part-time positions, freelance work, or volunteering for data-related tasks can help you build practical skills. Certifications such as Google Data Analytics, Microsoft Power BI, or SQL certifications can also strengthen your credibility, especially if you're switching careers. Finally, cultivate communication skills. Data analysts must explain their findings clearly to non-technical audiences, turning numbers into actionable recommendations. With consistent learning, project building, and real-world practice, you can successfully begin your career as a data analyst.